What's up, y'all? This is my chicken, and I'm just gonna give y'all a formal introduction to them by their names and all of those things, and the new chicken coop that I built. But I'm just emptying out my phone, and I just wanted to bring you some of the content that I have recorded in 2022. All right, I hope you enjoy the show. So I just harvested the last of the corn, and I'm harvesting the last of the carrots. As you see, carrots, baby. But look at this carrot right here. I don't know. Yeah, that is not pretty. Yep, so grab the last of these carrots. Yep. And then we have carrot seeds right here. I'm taking these home. I'm gonna propagate those. So let's go ahead and grab that out. Let's grab the last of these carrots. Yeah. Yep, I think that's it. Anything else will come up as seed next year. What in the world is that? I don't know. All right. So this is the garden. The garden is done. As you see, it is done. Yeah. Yeah. It is too cold. Look at the chaos that I quit. Yeah, so that's it. We did what we could. It's over. I already know that they like carrot tops. They like carrot tops a lot. So let's give them another one. Y'all see that? Yes, we have corn. Yes, and you see how? Yeah, let's do this again. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah. I'm gonna actually hold this one. I couldn't do it with one hand. So we're gonna see. Let's give him a piece and see. Dang. Wow, micro. Ouch. Goodness gracious. Did I get that on camera? Goodness gracious. Ooh-wee, that's like the dope. I'm the dope man with that corn. Look at him, look at him. I don't think they can eat this, so I'm just gonna save that for the waste. Oh, this one look even better. Look at that, y'all. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually gonna keep some of this just to see. Yeah, that don't look too terrible. Where's the camera at? Yeah, that don't look too terrible. I'm gonna let that dry out and see if it do anything. Yeah, they ruthless with it. This is it right here, though. And then the chicken over there in timeout, he can't do nothing. He been bad. Been doing a little too much. Hey. We're gonna make this some reindeer games right here. We're gonna put this up here like this. Whoa, they vicious, man. I'm just gonna throw this. Hey, that's my finger.